Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with DougRuckerStore.com and the PressureCleaningschool.com, and just want to let you guys know that when we ship these Kingslingers, we're shipping this part separate. You're going to have to put this on the compressor. The reason we're doing that is we're finding that sometimes the bottoms of the Dugginator are getting damaged in shipment. So it's going to come with your hardware here on the back, your screws that are here and here. And all you have to do is get this as high as you possibly can up on these two bars over here, and just drill you a couple of small holes, put it in, screw it in, and you're all set. And then you can continue on with your plumbing. But just make sure that you get this as high up as you can, so if it's on a platform like this, the bottom is not hitting the platform or the bottom of the trailer or whatever. So we're finding that it's much safer to ship them separate pieces, and it's also a little bit cheaper on shipping, so it's saving you some money. So just know that this is going to come separate. Hardware's on there. Drill you two small holes as far up as you can get it, and you'll be good to go. Thank you guys. We appreciate your business.